Guys, watch this video to learn how to post videos or pictures on Niki Live App. So in this video, I'll tell you I'll guide you on how to post or pictures on your Niki Live App. So first you log into your account, you'll go, you tap on post. Post is right here immediately after live. So you can see post down here. When you tap on post, you'll be able to see different posts from different people. You can see, so you can as well post your videos or your pictures or anything you want to post on your page. So you just tap on this plus icon. When you tap on the plus icon, you'll be able to see different options. This one is picture option, this one is video option, this one is camera. So if you want to post picture, maybe you just tap on it, then you'll be able to select from your album. Yeah, so it is that simple. That is all you need to do when posting or when you want to post on Niki Live App.